Wakwasa Sante Kotoko goalkeeper ebusua for ade bi de confirm maye nhwehwemu no ama say no posting na so e Facebook concerning Danlad Ibrahim official no confirm ono a yes initially na man for doubt say enye ne account na bia fan page bi na obi akreti e na odi posti saa nneoma no but nhwemu kakra ya no adadi say Danlad Ibrahim obi be say ne say thank you message na Danlad Ibrahim apostu ewo ni Facebook no so na o posti ye no commentaries ahodo a run ene say na thank you there na che Danlad uja ye kwan ana eno ntina wa tworo thank you amaye well ni nyina and more and amatena say abede bro on Super 24 TV no so pacho information we ase kwanza Sante Kotoko concept ne de ebi ba ebi ko eto ho nso a na wo se ye de bro e na de aye anche no nso yewuram kakra na ye de mu nchirechire mu no abrefo na ade ba ko confirm say Danlad ene posti sa de no thank you message ene posti ye Facebook but as to say oko anase otena ne de ono na kumam ene na adwen mu ena ewo but message na ankasa oposti ye no ewo ha me de bebrɛw ewo entintai fidie no so mo betima follow social media handles no so Facebook no Super 24 TV, Instagram Super 24 TV, Instagram ye Kumase Blogman na ye di kasubom ewo onim say currently in a pecking order no Kumase Sante Kotoko captaincy no Danlad ena ye captain ena Richmond Lamte ena Mfege enso ewo ho but Danlad ye started season so far about first 2 or 3 games no unya bimbo sa bi my message na Danlad ko post in Facebook no and that o screen no so say a very big thanks to our lovely Sante Kotoko supported fans for making this turnaround happen. It was not great from the start of the season that we wanted, but we fought as a team and brought the fabulous spirit back. We promise to continue from the break second round and hashtag fabulous blessed so message out the two no net say or that say fans no a support to bibia echo ye even though the season and shall see but almost ended the world quite on a not bad note but at the about so we promised to continue right from the break. So no me they draw me conclusion. They say this particular message that Danlad posted and yet bye message to Kumasi Sante Kotoko because also we promise say season here be south to us until one more say Danlad call into our posted thank you message Menya sure say sign Danlad Ibrahim as we speak still now we are committed with Kumasi Sante Kotoko changes ba ye de bebro e wo Super 24 TV.